Alright, we're back for challenge night. We're playing basketball again. I hope to God that I can make some shots, because otherwise it's going to be a long night. Ow! Brother. Okay. Okay. Alright, good. Close enough. Good. Close enough. Close enough. What a start we just had, huh? What a start. Okay. Alright. Okay, alright, okay. We made our way through. Okay. So basically the reason this format, oh my gosh, my back tires are cooked. This format, we have to make a shot to get a chance at a shortcut lap. That will hopefully save us a lot of time. So when I come back here again, you can see that tire hanging up here. That guy, oh my gosh, this cart is stinky. If you make a shot there, you get to skip basically this whole section. Oh boy, okay. This thing does not want to turn, holy moly. Oh boy, come on, bud. Oh, yeah, does not want to make that turn. That's for sure. Can I pass you clean? Ah! Oh boy, yep, I messed up. I thought I could get the inside there, I couldn't. Whoop, sorry. My bad. I have someone behind me. I really don't want to have to take this while at full speed. And the word, like, you're going, like, it's, Mer. Oh, okay. What's happening?
2 seconds later.
I think I got it. I'm pretty confident that I got it. I could have sworn I got one. I am pretty confident that I had that. I'm pretty confident I made that shot. Oh. Man, did I not make either of those shots? I really thought I made them. Like, you gotta be kidding me. Did I not make them? Man, I really thought those were in. I can't believe I didn't make those shots. Those are like the best shots I've ever made. Wow, that's crazy. All right, we're back for qualifying race 2. Any one more? Okay, never mind. We are back for qualifying race 2. Didn't make a shot in the first one. Hopefully I can make one this time. Oh, goodness. All right, good. 5th to 3rd, we take those. We take those all day long. I really feel like I can make a shot this time. Like, I feel like my shots were way better than, like, the last time we did this race. So, okay. Good. I really thought they went in too. But we're gonna try to get a little space before we try to make any shots. At least attempt to make any shots. I want to try to get as much, full speed time here as possible. Oh boy, this thing is hopping. Okay, I got Drew on me back there. I was a million miles away from that. I might try one next time. Last time, like, I was, like, paying attention to racing and, like, not actually even thinking about trying to make those shots. Oh, I went off the bottom. Rip. I definitely saw that one go off the bottom. I'm pretty sure I can catch him even without making a shot. I guess we'll see. We'll just try it again. We just got to get out of the way so we can concentrate on if we got to actually race or what, or, you know. Oh, I think it went off the bottom again. My shots feel so good. Oh man, I didn't make either of them again. I am cursed. I'm actually cursed. Maybe traffical. Oh goodness. Sorry, bud. That was a little bit of an instant there, huh? Okay, now I know you made one. Can I catch you other places? I'm gonna need to pass you clean because I did not make any shots. Oh, I'm getting your inside there. Oh, I'm getting it. If I get a good enough run, we can make that. Oh, good race. Alright, well, we're back for the feature race. We have gotten rid of the basketball because I think everyone's spirits were broken because no one could make a dang shot. So we're just getting we voted to get 2 straight Joker laps instead. Oh boy, okay. Okay, alright, okay. Oh boy. That was a tight start, huh? That was pretty tight. We survived though. Oh no, we didn't survive. Oh no, we didn't survive. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. We may have to restart this race. Alright, well, we're gonna try this again. Immediately as I like joked, I was like, oh, we did this pretty good. We turned around and everyone was just like completely destroyed all in that corner at the start. So we're gonna do a whole another restart. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like the content. I greatly appreciate it. Oh boy, okay. Yep. Oh goodness. Okay. I didn't want to turn you, Clay. Let's try my best not to get turned and not to turn you at the same time. So we survived. That's good. We survived yet again. Excellent. Okay. I mentioned we have 2 jokers now. No more basketball. Thank goodness. The joker is still the same, where we get to go over there to the right. Oh goodness. Oh boy, Dave. Okay. I think I might take one, to be honest. Let's go. Okay. I know my cart is fast. At least I'm pretty confident it's fast. Hopefully it's fast enough. So maybe we can carve out some space here. Hopefully they're gonna battle back there. We can carve out a little space. I don't know. My tires are sliding real bad there, though. Keep battling back there, boys. Keep battling. I think we're pretty much consistent. I'm not really pulling away, unfortunately. So that's going to be bad. I need to like actually get space away from them, so that if they take a joker, I don't like immediately get, past or whatever. Or if they take a joker. I can't even talk. I'm so tired. Yeah, we're pretty much at the same distance, I would say. Okay. Oh, we got a little space. We did that really well. I think the grips coming up might be able to do that full speed now. Okay, no problem. Okay. He's a little ahead. Oh, we punted that real bad. Okay, that's good. That's real good. Hopefully this person behind me took a joker. And that's the reason that they caught me. I think it's Clay. Hopefully that's not just his natural speed that caught me. I think I'm pulling away from him. Oh no!
2 hours later.
And we're back. Quick little caution. 2 laps to go. Oh, this is the last lap. Okay. All right, well, we got to take Joker. Unless he forgets to take a Joker. Which I can't imagine he's going to forget. Yeah, okay. No problem. All right, good race, good race, good race.